welcome back for another video and review at the Hug Squad. And yes, people, we got DW back in the building. Now, this one is called DW86 Sport. It's a total 24-hour watch face. Depending on your format, you will get the time that you desire. Now, in AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look. You're going to get your digital time, some of your information. The time is going to be blue. It's not going to be a bad look at all in the AOD mode. And I do like the design of this one. It's different. I like different. Now, what you're going to be greeted with up at the top, you will get the day of the week, and you will get your date as well. Now you come down, you are going to get your digital time. It's nice and legible. You're going to get a PM stamp with that one as well. Now, if you look down, you will get information on your distance, miles walked or ran, get your battery info right up under that. But if you come over, what you're going to get is your step information, and you see I'm at 11,000. I was really sad about the 9,000 yesterday, and I'm getting better. I'm getting a little better every day. You get your goal completed, and that's this meter right here to let you know how much of your goal you completed as well. And if I double tap, I am going to be able to change the shade theme in this one. Double tap again, and you only get a few in all, and they're not bad. I thought it was a good look. But the question is, at the end of the day, people, what did you think? All right, you all, another one by DW Bites the Dust. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. Share this video with other people, and enjoy the weekend, people. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.